Today, we're putting two popular canister vacuums head-to-head. In the red corner, we have the Hyla GST, known for its innovative self-cleaning separator and a larger water basin. And in the blue corner, the Rainbow E2, famous for its strong suction power and extra HEPA filtration. Let's find out which one deserves a spot in your home. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Round 1. Cleaning power. The Hyla GST is a champ on hard floors which sucks up dust, dirt. Its 650-watt suction mode pulls in debris without scattering it, and the wet or dry hose makes quick work of liquid messes, leaving floors spotless. The Rainbow E2 is no slouch either. Its hard floor tool reliably cleans fine dust on floors. When it comes to carpets, the Rainbow E2 flexes its muscles. It sucks deep into low and high pile carpets, pulling out embedded dirt, dust, and allergens. Its power nozzle has side brushes that agitate carpet fibers, making it awesome for refreshing old rugs or tackling ground-in grime. The Hyla GST holds its own with a hand electro brush that's great for carpets. It also has a Nimbus wet cleaning system for shampooing carpets, which is perfect for stains like pet accidents or wine spills. While the Hyla's wet cleaning is a bonus, the Rainbow's raw suction power makes it the king of carpets. For pet hair, it's a close call, but the Rainbow E2 pulls ahead. Its strong suction and power nozzle are designed to grab pet hair from carpets and upholstery, sucking up most of it in one pass with minimal tangling. Users with multiple pets rave about how it handles dog and cat hair, even on high-pile rugs. The Hyla GST can suck up pet hair too, from hard floors and furniture. And the Nimbus system scrubs pet messes like vomit stains. However, some users note that pet hair can stick to the hose if not cleaned regularly, which slightly slows it down. Overall, the Rainbow E2 wins this round for its superior suction power and standout performance on carpets and pet hair, though the Hyla GST is a close second with its better wet cleaning versatility. Next up, round 2. Filtration and air purification. Both vacuums are awesome for allergy sufferers, but they do things differently. The Hyla GST relies on its water basin and a geyser separator spinning at 27,000 RPM to trap dust. It can also purify air for about 20 to 35 minutes with fresh water, cutting down on pet odors. The Rainbow E2 uses water plus a true H13 class HEPA filter, catching 99% of tiny particles. It's certified by allergy groups, and its low-speed mode doubles as a purifier. The Rainbow's dual filtration makes it a bit better for superfine dust, so it takes this round. Round 3. Ease of use. The Hyla GST weighs 12 pounds. It has a big 3.5 liters water basin, so you're not filling it constantly, and it rolls smoothly on casters. It's got neat upgrades like LED lights in the basin and a remote-controlled Ventus electro brush for carpets. But it's bulky and also loud, hitting 75 to 78 decibels. The Rainbow E2 is heavy at around 17 to 19 pounds, which makes it a pain to carry upstairs, and its 2.36 liters basin needs more frequent emptying. Noise-wise, the Rainbow's quieter at 68 decibels compared to the Hyla GST. Its 8-foot hose and LED-lit power nozzle is nice, but the cord's a bit messy. The Hyla's bigger basin makes it a bit easier to use, so it wins this round. Round 4. Maintenance. The Hyla GST is low maintenance thanks to its self-cleaning separator. No filters to replace. You just rinse the water pan and dry it to avoid mold. The Rainbow E2 needs more work. You gotta clean the basin every couple of weeks and the separator. Their filters are washable, but you do need to replace them. If you're using the real deal Rainbow HEPA filter, you only swap it out every 3 to 4 years. But if you go with generic filters, you'll need a new one every 6 months. The Hyla's simpler upkeep makes it win here. Round 5. Warranty and customer support. The Hyla GST comes with a 5-year motor warranty and a lifetime labor warranty, which is solid. Its customer service can be hit or miss, though. It is often handled by local distributors, and getting parts may take longer in some areas. The Rainbow E2 offers up to a 10-year labor warranty, but service is typically handled by independent dealers. Many users say it's quick and easy to get parts. However, numerous reviews on platforms like Consumer Affairs and Trustpilot report challenges, including unresponsive dealers, difficulties with warranty claims, and unethical sales practices, which can make support frustrating. So there's a tie in this round. So what's the final verdict? If you have allergies, deep carpets, or lots of pet hair, the Rainbow E2 is your pick. Its suction power and HEPA filter are tough to beat. If you want a vacuum that's easier to maintain and has a bigger basin, the Hyla GST is your choice. Have you used Rainbow or Hyla vacuums? Share your experiences in the comments below. And for another useful cleaning video, check out this one next.